Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's video I'm going to be doing a 2 looks 1 palette using the Spoiled Lips Cosmetics Ouija Planchette Palette. I recently just uploaded a video of my first impressions. That's also in my channel. That was my most recent video. So if you wanted to watch that, I can link that video down below as well. So today I'm going to be doing 2 different looks using this palette. I definitely wanted to play with it more, explore more of the colors and see what type of cool fun looks I can come up with. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. Alright guys, I got my eyelids primed with my Jeffree Star concealer, and I'm going to start out with the shade I keep forgetting they don't have shade names, but it's this really pretty like gunmetal-y grayish black color, and I'm going to buff that all over my crease. I want this to be a really cool darker look. Looking good so far. I really like how this color turns out. It's sort of like an ashy black. It's not like a black, but it has like a very, very small hint of blue in it, and it's really pretty. And this blends out super nicely. All right, and let's see what I want to do next. I'm going to take that really pretty lime green shade right here. I'm gonna put that all over my lid using a Peachy Queen flat packing brush. I did run out of my glitter primer. That's why I'm not using it right now. I need to pick up some more ASAP, because that shit is so good with shimmers. It's great. Even without that, the shimmer is really freaking nice, and it packs on really nicely. I'm enjoying this palette so far, guys. I really like it. I think Spoiled Lips Cosmetics is a very underhyped brand, indie brand, in my opinion. The owner, Jess, she's like really sweet, and she comes up with all of these super cute ideas and really cutesy packaging. I'm definitely here for it. I can't wait to see what more stuff she comes out with. And I also picked up a new palette from her. It was her Rest in Peace My Youth palette. It was her, I think it was her 30th birthday release, and that one's really cute. I want to put up a video with that one as well soon. It was really, really cute. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm like really ready for fall. I'm just really sick of the heat at this point. Like, I like doing my makeup. I don't want it to melt off my face like 2 seconds as I walk out the door. It's really irritating. But yeah. I just like the colder weather. And I like spooky season, of course. It kind of sucks Halloween's gonna be like basically canceled this year. Not that I go trick-or-treating, you know, I'm 25, but like just doing stuff in general. I can see if there's anything going on at all, but that would be nice. But that's what that looks like so far. I really like how it's kind of sheared out, and it blends really nicely with that darker gunmetal, I guess I'll call it, in the crease. I really like how that looks together. It's a nice contrast. I'm just gonna go back in with that crease brush again and kind of just smooth over those harsh lines. And yes, this is what we looking like, looking cute. And what else did I plan on doing? Yes, the orange. Okay, I'm gonna put the orange on the lower lash line, In my last video, I had an issue with the orange, but I did put it over top of like a green. I put it in between a green and a purple, and I don't know what possessed me to do that. I was trying to make a cute look, and I didn't really follow the color wheel type thing that's just gonna mush up together. It's not going to look very nice. So I'm just gonna put orange on its own, see how it performs by itself with nothing else, and give it that second chance, you know? See, the orange by itself, it's like really like bam in your face. So I knew it wasn't the actual color that was giving me issues. It was just the way I was applying it. So that was my bad. But I really like the way the orange is just orange, you know? It's really pigmented. I love that. But yeah, this is what we're looking like so far. I think it's really cute, really fun. It's an interesting look. So yeah, let me see. I want to add something to the inner corner. I'm going to add the really pretty iridescent, like bluish white shade in the palette. I'm like obsessed with this shade. Because I thought it was just like a regular shimmer white when I first got the palette, but then when I swatched it, I was like, oh yeah, she's cute. Definitely wanted to include her. Really want that inner corner to just pop really well. Yes, this is cute. I love that. Yeah, so this is the first look. I'm going to go pop on my lashes, do some liner, lips, all of that stuff, and I'll be right back with the first look. All right, guys, I'm back with the final look. What do you guys think? I know my eyelashes are a little wonky today. I was having a little bit of problems putting them on. They were frustrating the living crap out of me, but it's okay. I used the GlamLite Margarita, Strawberry Margarita lashes today. For my waterline, I put in a little forest green eyeliner from Colourpop in the shade Fast Lane. And for my lips, I use the Sugarpill liquid lipstick in the shade Clink. And I just wanted to put something a little bit like more natural looking, more nudie on my lips, so the eyes can be the center of the show. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this first look using this palette. I think it turned out really well. I like the color combination and all that, and all of the shadows perform very nicely. So I will move on to look number 2. Hi guys, I am back to do the second look of my 2 looks, 1 palette with the Spoiled Lips Cosmetics Ouija Planchette Palette. And for the second look, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's like a brick red berry color. I'm going to put that all over my crease with a blending brush. Was quite a lot of fallout with this one. I might just have one in heavy-handed with it. But I can clean it up. That's the good part about makeup. It can come off if you mess up. I really like this color. It's very cute. Love that. And I'm going to go in with this really pretty duochrome shade right here. I'm gonna put that all over my lid, and and I'm just gonna use a flat packing brush for that. And like I said in my first look, still need to get my NYX glitter primer refilled as soon as possible. This one I might need to go in with my finger. I feel like that would be a little bit more payoff. Oh yeah, for sure. Ooh, this is such a pretty shade. It shifts kind of like green to red to brown. It's like really freaking stunning. Love that. Just gonna take my finger on the other eye. Just spread that all over the lid. It's not a cut crease, we're just blending. Ooh, that's so cute. Look. I love that. I love the way that looks. I think that's super cute. And it's not even like a lot. You know, it's not a lot of effort. I do want to add something else to the look. I'm gonna go in with a shade I haven't gone into yet. It's this like coppery shade right here. I'm gonna just drag that along my lower lash line. Curious to see how this one looks. It is a shimmer. Okay, it looks kind of similar to that shade, the crease shade that I put in, but it's shimmery. It just goes a little bit more copper. But other than that, it kind of looks really similar, which is fine. Goes for a nice cohesive look, which I'm all about that. Yes, that's cute. Loving that. Except for this, I will clean this up, I promise. Yeah. I want to put something in my inner corner, but there's only like two really light shimmers that I can do that with. So I'm going to actually, no, I'll use the highlight in the palette. I'll use this right here. I'll put that in the inner corner because it is a really pretty highlight shade. And I did use it on my face in my first impressions, and it did go really well with my skin. So let's see. Yeah, I definitely like the way this looks with this look. Particularly ties it all in together really nicely. Cute, loving that. And I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to do a wing with this or not, but maybe I should try to do a wing with one of the shadows. But I do really want to use this really cute star pressed glitter, so I think I'm actually just gonna do that instead. I'm gonna add that to the outer parts of my lid, so it's not completely taking away from the shadow on my lid. It's just adding a little bit of oomph to it. And I'm gonna take my OMFG Cosmetics I'm sorry, glitter adhesive, and I'm gonna put that right about here. Then I'm gonna go in with a flat brush, take this I don't mind pressed glitters, it's just a little harder to work with sometimes, but they are really cute in my opinion. I know everyone like despises them, but I'm not one of those people. I don't complain if there's a pressed glitter in a palette. I just think that if you don't want to use it, don't use it. And there's people out there that do like it, and that's fine. Everyone has their own preference, and it's all good. It's just makeup. Trying to get these little stars to like stick specifically to where it's kind of like I like the way this side looks. I kind of want to make it a little bit better on this side. That's cute. Yeah, so I got both sides going, and I like the way that looks. It's really unique, really cute, really fun. And I will be back to go and finish this look, clean this shit up right here, and I'll be back with the final result of look number 2. Okay guys, I am back with the final result of the second look. What do you guys think? I think this is super cute. I like the way everything blended together. I love the little stars at the end. I think that adds a really cute little accent to the look. For my waterline, I just put a basic black waterline pencil. I did a little bit of a wing. You can barely see it. It's just a very small wing, but I used the Tarte Sex Kitten liner. And for my lashes, I also used the Strawberry Margarita lashes from GlamLite. And for my lips, I wanted to do a bullet lipstick. I used the Colourpop Disney collection. This is the Belle one. And I thought that just tied in really well with the way that my eye looks. And I just think the whole thing turned out really cute and really fun. And honestly, this palette is so much fun to play with. There's so many looks that you can create, and I think that this is definitely worth the buy. I would definitely go pick this up. I'm not affiliated with the brand at all. This is not sponsored or anything. I just really enjoy the formula, and I enjoy the shadows, and I had a lot of fun creating a couple looks with these. And yeah, this is one more look, the palette. And I hope you guys enjoyed my 2 looks, 1 palette video using this palette. And I will definitely be doing more 2 look videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed me. And please give me a thumbs up if you did. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.